Need to adjust sending of notifications? Start by navigating to the Agency section, then Agency Detail. Scroll down until you find the Change Settings button. On the next page, scroll until you reach the Notification Sender section. This section controls all system-generated notifications. The From Email field determines the email address from which notifications are sent to the client. The From Label field sets the label under which these notifications are sent. The Reply to Email field specifies the email address to which the client's responses will be directed. Lastly, the Reply to Label field determines the label under which this reply to email address is displayed.